case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A legal dispute between the Chicago Cubs and surrounding rooftop businesses came to a head in the 2015 case. Right Field Rooftops, LLC v. Chicago Baseball Holdings, LLC. The battle centered around the Cubs' plan to upgrade Wrigley Field with electronic signs and video boards that would obstruct the business's views of the games. In 2004, an agreement was reached that the rooftop businesses must share 17% of their profits with the Cubs, and the view would not be blocked. The businesses argued that the Cubs used unfair tactics to force them out of business, breaching their contract and violating antitrust laws. The U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois had to interpret the terms of the license agreement to determine whether the Cubs had breached it and consider whether the Major League Baseball antitrust exemption applied to the Cubs' conduct. Ultimately, the court found that the Rooftops did not prove a likelihood of success in their breach of contract claim, nor did they show irreparable harm. The Rooftops' request for an injunction was denied, as they failed to explore other marketable angles and did not present enough evidence to support their case. The court also concluded that the Cubs benefited from Major League Baseball's antitrust exemption, and the Rooftops' delay in seeking legal relief weighed against their request for an injunction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.